So a machinist is someone that primarily works with metal to make parts that are very precise to build machines or other pieces of equipment. Sometimes in the repair end of things, we get pieces that are worn out or broken, and we need to make them new again using lathes, milling machines, some CNC operated and some manually operated.
Machinist has a really cool job because they can take anything and fix it or turn it into something completely new. So they might take like a solid piece of steel and then they can turn it into a gear or a bushing or whatever.
I'm a third-year apprentice machinist. I mostly run manual machines. I'm starting to get into CNC, do lots of repair work and making new parts.
I've been in the trade for 33 years. Well, I run a CNC milling machine, which is a computer-aided milling machine. I like working with my hands and with my brain, so it's very rewarding getting a raw piece of material, either being steel or pure copper or all kinds of different metals, and being able to hit all your sizes and have it done on time.
If you're sharp with math, you like to build stuff with your hands, and you like to see a finished product and have pride in your work, machining is definitely for you.
Well, I've been in this trade for 18 years now, and the reason I chose this career was I was born and raised on a farm and always fixing equipment. So I was fixing things anyway, and then my grandfather was a gunsmith. So he had all the machining tools and running drill presses, lathes, milling machines, creating parts all the time. So I just went from there.
I'm a supervisor here at Ross, so I tell the guys what they need to do every day and give them direction. So that's all the way from the guys on the small lathes to the small milling machines to all the bigger milling machines and bigger lathes. So I kind of have to know a little bit about everything and what each job consists of and the fastest way of doing it and the most efficient ways and what processes need to be done first, and kind of give them a little bit of direction. And on any other given day, I need to hop on a machine because we got customers that need something rushed and other guys are busy, so I'll hop on a lathe or a mill, or whether it's CNC or just a manual, and I'll get the job done. Very hands-on and very involved with every project that's going on in the shop.
Every day is different. I do such like a wide range of different things. Like I'm never doing the same thing day after day after day. Like I'll get in repair work, or I'll get new jobs, and we have such a variety of things that we do here that every day I get to do something different, which is a really cool aspect of my job. Like I don't really get bored. I just get to do new stuff all the time, and it's fun.
Yeah, our machinists are not stuck on one machine. They'll get moved around, lathe, mill, CNC, boring mill, help the mechanics.
So we employ 15 to 20 machinists, probably closer to 20, and we're hiring all the time. Like our ad is just continually running because we're looking for more people that are available in the market, and it's been that way for years.
The demand for machinists now is quite large. Basically everything that you would believe is built, probably a machinist has had their hands on it.
Obviously lots of people come and start sweeping floors and learning just about the shops, and then they can go from there, they can hit up tech schools and get work experience at the shops. I know Ross Machine Shop likes to help employees get lots of experience and excel faster than some shops.
When I was in high school, I took like a career, just did a little career spotlight course on the trade, and after high school I just went on a tour of some machine shops just to see if that's kind of what I wanted to do, and ended up here and got offered a job, and I've just kind of been here ever since because I liked it.
So the pre-employment program here at Sask Polytech is a 34-week program. It gives the students experience in aspects of the trade, and at the end of the 34 weeks, they will have the equivalent of a second-year apprentice without the trade time. My role here is to ensure that the students' education covers all aspects of level 1 and level 2 apprenticeship, and it also aligns with a lot of the industry requirements. I also do site visits to different manufacturing and machine shops in the province to ensure that we're producing and teaching relevant skills that will be utilized in the workplace.
I get to see apprentices start from nothing and come out as journeymen, and yeah, that's the number one thing, is I work with good people and they pay me to do it.
I would definitely recommend other women get into this trade. I do know a few other female machinists, actually ones who have worked here at this shop, and they're extremely successful women, and it's really great to like look at other women who have gone through the programs I've gone through and gone through training and everything, and just seeing where they're at. And I think there needs to be more women representation in the trades. You very rarely see girls kind of doing this super cool, like badass stuff. So it's really exciting when I do see other women in the trade, and I would really like to see more women in the trade.
It's just so fulfilling to be able to take a piece of metal and make it into what you want, and be able to use it on stuff, and just be able to say, I made that part, or just be able to take pride in the stuff you make and be able to show people this is what I do. And when you're a machinist, everybody comes for you for help to fix their stuff. So you're always in demand and always needed by everyone, that's for sure.
So the easiest way to get into the machining trade is to go to a pre-employment course that will teach you all the basics, so when you actually go into an industry, you're not going to be completely lost. In this industry, there are people from every different walk of life that become machinists. The opportunities for advancement are excellent.
Ross Machine Shop is currently hiring full-time machinists, and that's whether you're an apprentice or a journey person. So drop off your resume or stop by.